What is the formula for slope of the line? Slope of the line is nothing but y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the slope. If r is less than 0, then the circle is called an imaginary circle, or it is also called as a virtual circle. Equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty department of mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So in my previous class we have discussed regarding the equation of a circle passing through a given point and having a radius. Now in this session I am going to discuss regarding very important concepts, that is equation of the circle when it passes through 2 points. Equation of a circle passing through 2 different points as ends of diameter, and the equation of the point circle. So these 2 concepts are very important for the point of examination. Now let us derive the equation of the circle which passes through 2 points. Suppose if a circle passes through 2 points, say a x1, y1 and b x2, y2 as endpoints of diameter, then how you are going to find the equation of a circle? The first one is equation of a circle with a x1, y1 and b x2, y2 as the coordinates of the ends of the diameter. Then the equation of the circle is given by. Now let us derive what is the equation we are going to get. Now let us consider a circle passes through the point a x1, y1 and b x2, y2 as the diameter, and C is the origin. That is the C is the midpoint of AB, or C is the origin. Let P x comma y be any point on the circle. Now join PA, PB and the AB. Okay. Now let AX1, Y1 and BX2, Y2 are any 2 points as the coordinates of ends of a diameter. AX1, Y1 and BX2, Y2 are the coordinates of ends of diameter. Let Px comma y be any point on the circle. Now join PA, PB and AB. Right. Now since this angle PAB is an angle in a semicircle, this is a triangle in a semicircle. So therefore the angle, triangle PAB, angle PAB is equal to 90 degree because it's an angle in a semicircle. Now thus find out the slope of AB and BP. Since we know that slope of AP into slope of BP is always equal to minus 1. So since it is 90 degree, M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. Slope of AB and slope of BP is equal to minus 1. Just find out the slope. You know what is the formula for slope of the line? Slope of the line is nothing but y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the slope. Now here slope of AP, that is x1, y1, x2, y2, this can be written as y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 into, now slope of AP is equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1 into slope of BP. Slope of B is equal to y minus y2 divided by x minus x2 is equal to minus 1. Now just multiply the numerator, y minus y1 into y minus y2 divided by x minus x1 into x minus x2 is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply this. So what we will get? Therefore y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to minus of x minus x1 into x minus x2. Transfer to the left hand side. So therefore the required equation of the circle is, therefore what we will get? So y minus y1, yes, x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0 is the equation of the circle. So the equation of a circle passing through x1, y1 and x2, y2 as the ends of diameter is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. That's it. Okay. So this is the required equation of a circle. Now based on this, let us take an example. So the circle whose radius is 0 is called the point circle. Now a circle whose radius is 0, if the radius of the circle is equal to 0, then such a circle is called as the point circle. Now Equation of the circle in the standard form, consider the equation of a circle having the center h comma k and the radius r as x minus h whole square plus y minus k x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, where h comma k is the center and r is the radius. If r is equal to 0, then the circle is said to be a point circle. So for a point circle, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square is 0. This is also a point circle whenever the center is h and k. Now, suppose, let us discuss few points regarding the equation of a circle whose center is h comma k and the radius r. Consider the equation of a circle r square is equal to x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square. Suppose if r is greater than 0, we say that the circle is a real. So it's a real circle. If r is greater than 0, positive, that is the circle is a real. If r is less than 0, then the circle is called an imaginary circle, or it is also called as a virtual circle. If the radius is greater than 0, that is then the circle is called the real circle. If r is less than 0, then the circle is called an imaginary circle or virtual circle. Now, if r is equal to 0, then the circle is said to be a point circle. For a point circle, the radius is 0. If r is equal to 1, then the circle is said to be a unit circle. So, if the radius of a circle is 0, then it is called a point circle. Suppose if the radius is equal to 1, then it is called as a unit circle. If the radius is greater than 0, then we say the circle is a real. Circle is a real. Whereas if r is less than 0, then it is called an imaginary circle, or it is also called as a virtual circle. Now, based on this, let us take a problem. Now, find the equation of a circle whose ends of diameters are 3, 1 and minus 4, 2. Now, very simple. So, what is given? Given x1, y1 as 3, 1 and x2, y2 as minus 4, 2. What is the equation of the circle? So, equation of a circle is equation of the circle with x1, y1 and x2, y2 as the diameter is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Substitute here. What you will get? That is x minus, what is x1? x1 is 3 into x minus x2. x2 is equal to minus 4, minus into minus plus y minus, what is y1? So y1 is equal to 1 into y minus y2. y2 is equal to 2 is equal to 0. Multiply just. So x into x is x square. Again plus 4 into x is 4x. Minus 3 into x is minus 3x. Minus into plus minus 3 4s are 12. Plus again same. Y into y is y square. Plus into minus minus 2 into y is 2y. Minus into plus it is minus y. Minus into minus plus 2 1s are 2 is equal to 0. Now just put it in order. So first write down x square term. X square plus y square. Then x and 4x minus 3x is plus x. Then minus 2y minus y is minus 3y. Minus 12 plus 2 is minus 10 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. So, the required equation of a circle which passes through 3, 1 and minus 4, 2 as the ends of diameter is x square plus y square plus x minus 3y minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, move on to the next problem. Find the equation of the circle whose ends of diameters are minus 5, 1 and 1, 3. Same as that of the previous problem. So, what is given? x1, y1 is equal to minus 5, 1 and x2, y2 is equal to 1, 3. Now, therefore, the equation of the circle is equation of the circle is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. Now substitute here. X minus, what is x1? x1 is equal to minus 5 it is. So this is x1 y1, that is minus 5, 1. This is x1 y1 and this is 1, 3 x2 y2. So x1 is minus 5, minus into minus plus 5 into x minus x2. What is x2? 1 plus y minus y1. y1 is equal to 1 and y minus, what is y2? y2 is equal to 3 is equal to 0. Multiply this, that's all. So x into x is x square, plus into minus minus x, plus 5 into x is 5x, plus into minus minus 5, plus again y into y is y square, minus 3y, minus y, minus into minus plus 3 is equal to 0. Put it in order, x square plus y square, 5x minus x is plus 4x, minus 3y minus y is minus 4y, minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the circle. So x square plus y square plus 4x minus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the equation of the circle. Okay, right. So what is the answer? X square plus y square plus 4x minus 4y minus 2 is equal to 0, or in some textbook they may also write like this: x square plus y square plus 4x minus 4y is equal to 2. This is also the correct answer. Now move on to the next problem. Write the equation of the point circle with center 3, minus 5. According to the definition of a point circle, the radius of the circle must be equal to 0. So given this is the center h, k, the center is equal to 3, minus 5. Since it is a point circle, radius is equal to 0. Equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. R square is 0. Right. So x minus h, what is h3 whole square plus y minus into minus plus 5 whole square is equal to r square is 0. So that is a square plus b square minus 2ab, 3 to the 6x, again a square plus b square plus 2ab, 5 to the 10y is equal to 0. So put it in order, x square plus y square minus 6x, then plus 10y, and 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9 is 34. Plus 34 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a circle. Right. So see here, write the equation of a point circle with the center. Center is given 3, minus 5, and radius of the circle. What is the radius of the circle? Is 0 for a pointed circle. We know the equation of a circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, r square is equal to 0. So r is equal to 0. Then x minus 3 whole square plus y minus into minus plus y plus 5 whole square is equal to 0. A square plus b square plus 2ab, a minus b whole square, a plus b whole square, x square plus y square minus 6x plus 10y, 25 plus 9 is 34 is equal to 0 is the required equation of a circle. Now move on to the next problem. Now just this is also an important problem. Find the equation of a circle, two of whose diameters are x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 2, and passing through the point 2, minus 1. So here, so we have to find the equation of a circle. This circle passes through the point P 2, minus 1, and the center is to be determined. Center is nothing but the point of intersection of these two lines. The point of intersection of the two lines will give the center. So solve these two equations. That is equation x plus y is equal to 4 and x minus y is equal to 2. Solving these two equations, solving 1 and 2. Call it as 1 and 2. This is equation number 1 and equation number 2. So the point is given 2, minus 1, and since the ends of diameter is in the form of a linear equation, that is, so the point of intersection of these two lines will give the center of the circle. Solve these two equations. So if you add, what happens? Minus y plus y gets cancelled. 2x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So then again from equation number, any one of these two equations, let us take from 1, y is equal to 4 minus x. That is 4 minus x is 3. That's equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. Therefore the center is 3, 1. Right. Center is 3, 1. Now find out the radius. So here radius of the circle r is equal to the distance cp. Cp, that is nothing but the distance between these 2 points. So using distance formula, x minus x1 whole square, 3 minus 2 whole square, plus 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 whole square. So the radius r is equal to 3 minus 2 whole square is 1 square plus 2 square, that's equal to root of 1 plus 4 is equal to root 5. Root 5 is the radius of the circle. Okay. Now since r is equal to root 5 and the center h comma k is equal to 3 comma 1. So the equation of the circle is equation of circle. So you know what is the formula for equation of the circle? X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. That is x minus h is 3 whole square plus y minus k 1 square is equal to root 5 whole square. Simplify this. A square plus b square minus 2ab, 3 2s are 6x. Again a square plus b square minus 2y. Square root gets cancelled. Bring this to the left hand side, it becomes minus 5. Put it in order. Therefore, x square plus y square minus 6x, then y terms minus 2y and the constants. So 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 minus 5 is plus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore, the equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. That's it. Hope you followed. Very important problem and simple problem, right? Now let us take a similar type problem. So that is, find the equation of a circle, similar type, find the equation of a circle having the center 3 comma 4 and passes through 0 comma 0. Now same type as that of the previous problem. So what is given here? Given center, equation of the circle whose center is 3 comma 4 and passes through the point P 0 comma 0. Now therefore find out CP. CP is nothing but the radius. Radius is equal to the distance between these 2 points. So that is 3 minus 0 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square, that's equal to 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16 root 25, that's equal to 5. So the radius is equal to 5. Now what is the equation of the circle? Equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. Since what is given? C, center C is equal to 3 comma 4, this is nothing but h comma k, and the radius is equal to square root of 25, that's equal to 5. So substitute here. X minus, what is h? H is 3 whole square plus y minus k, what is k? 4 square is equal to r, radius is 5 square. Now again a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 6x, again a square plus b square minus 2, 4 into 2 is 8y is equal to 25. Now put it in order. So this is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y, 9 plus 16 is 25, and bring this 25 to the left hand side. Minus 25 plus 25 gets cancelled. Therefore, the equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y is equal to 0. That's it. This is the required equation of the circle. Hope you followed. Okay. So these are few types of problems. Now if you observe carefully, this equation, that is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0, or x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y is equal to 0. So these are all the standard equation of the circle. So they are of the form standard equation of the circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard equation. So if we simplify the equation, we are going to get is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this will represent the equation of a circle in the standard form whose center is minus g comma minus f and the radius r is equal to root of g square plus f square minus c. We will discuss those problems in the next session. That's all regarding today's session. Let us discuss few more problems in the next session. Thank you very much.